Today we went to pick up our Vanden Plas Princess. We have bought the car online and we are a bit worried because Billy says that we are really silly buying a car offline, not seeing it. But here goes, we don't know what we're going to get for really, but here we're going out of Ingleton ready to go to Pickering. And then we went up really scary and steep, such a bank. It's just so steep. I remember it from when I was young, going it up today. I forgot how steep it was. I don't like it.
That's it, go on.
Billy likes to encourage a wagon like he's riding a horse.
Turn right onto Cleveland Way.
Go on, lass. Keep going.
We're here. Hello, we are here at the place where we're going picking up our car, Princess. I can't wait, let's go. Go find her. No. I have a strong feeling she's not any of these. As there isn't even one inside that colour. There is a Morris Minor. I think we possibly did look at this one. Very tidy. This one is the one that we couldn't afford, sadly. But oh well, because we'll have our lovely car, I'm sure. God, that Morris Minor smell. I don't see why, but they always have this smell. It's a nice one. So we thought it would be here, but it turns out it isn't. And we asked them, we said, is Princess here? And they said, no, there's no Princess here. Turns out it's down the road, so we're going to go see there because apparently there's another auction place. So we're going to go there now. My lift. Totally lost my leather jacket. Find it anywhere. We then had to search for our Princess. There were a lot of classic cars in the way in front of her, so we had to move them and then we could get her out. Look at her. Oh, look at them windows. Look at these. Hello, Princess. Isn't she glorious? Look at her. She's wonderful. She's got a little pulley on. Oh, look. Is that an ashtray? Sorry.
No, I think it's a drinks holder.
No, it's not, because it'll fall over.
Yeah, but I think you smoke. I think.
That's an ashtray as well. We don't smoke, but look at it. Oh, that's a clock. That's a clock. Look at it. Oh, I need to set that. How would you set it? What does that do? Is that a horn?
No, I think that's a choke, isn't it? I don't know.
Can't make any
I'll have to ask Billy.
Look at all these little buttons. What are these holes for? Look. Look, it's only got 2 pedals.
It's an automatic.
Ah, yes. Nice. Look at it. It's got hot, cold car. Oh, look, this must be its little gear stick. Look at it. Ah, it's a rest holder. Look, it's got little seatbelt things and you push it down and it goes push. Oh, bless the little cotton wheels. Look at that, it's got a little something. It's got a little Like, I think I like the bit damaged. It's got his little foot. Oh, look how clean it is. It's
So do you like her?
Yeah. They won't stay clean, but hopefully it will. Look how clean it is. That's the seatbelt's like. Oh, look at it. Can we go in the back?
Yeah.
You can see it. It's something that spins around. Can I spin it?
Yeah.
What does it do?
I think it moves the seat up and down.
It does. Look at that. Wait.
So,
One second. How would you make myself? Isn't that just wonderful? Look at it. You just feel a little lever like you wouldn't. And you just, oh my goodness me, it just goes up. I love that. Right, I'm going to. Oh, look. You don't just like pull something, you just go.
ah.
It's up. Remember that. Up. If you're ever in one, up.
Watch that other vehicle, don't bang your door on it.
Can we open this?
Yeah.
Will it break it? Will it break?
No.
How do you do it?
What is it? Oh, that.
Oh. It's a bit cold. It's boiling. That just flashed.
What did you fly? Oh, got an interior. Oh, interior light.
Wait, I wonder if
It is
that's
a Van
that
Damme
button.
plat. Pardon?
I wonder if that's that button.
Which button?
This button.
No, that's a choke, I think. Has Billy.
I pressed it, I think.
Is that the light? Push it down and then pull it. No, push that thing that you did. Push that. What's
Oh,
that?
shoot.
Oh, oh, you've broken the car. 50 years old and you've just broken it. What's that done now? What if it's set off?
Just press the button and it's gone down and it won't come back up again. This button, I just pressed it and it won't come back
What's
up.
that button?
Pardon?
A body pull.
I don't know.
I think you're asking the wrong person here.
You leave it, and I thought it was your side, might be just like.
Have a look at the engine. It even says Princess on the Rock cover. Look at it. It's just so princessy. Oh yeah.
Look at his little exhaust. Oh, it's got a reversing light.
It must just become on. Look, it says Princess, but the 13,000 Princess 13,000. Let's go follow her. We got going on time. Princess got a little pee on the wheels. Well,
I think somebody likes her.
Little cup holders.
Stuff all the Nissan's XRs or whatever they're called. They've got a princess.
It's quite comfy, actually.
so you don't dirty her.
She sounds well, doesn't she?
It's actually really smooth being an automatic.
So did we do a good job? Pardon? How well did me and Matilda do?
Armrest. It's quite luxurious, isn't it?
It's a Van Damme Pla.
What do you expect?
Yeah, I think two pedals. Not a two-pedal person.
Well, prior to this, you probably weren't a Princess Van Damme Pla person. Oh, Sarah Cosworth. Is it a Cosworth?
Just saying
Is
hi
that a
to each other.
Cosworth?
Yeah, that is, yeah.
Too many words.
Tell me, what can I say? What am I gonna do? How should I feel when everything is you? What kind of love is this that you're giving me? Is it in your kiss or just because you're sweet? Girl, all I know is every time you're here, I feel a change. Something moves. I scream your name. That's what you got to do.
Height of engineering at that era. It is. I'll give it you, it's tidy.
You're what, sorry?
I'll give it to you, it's tidy.
I missed that.
It's very tidy.
Sorry, I'm going a bit deaf.
Yeah, going a bit deaf. What did you say? When we told you...
It's not rotten.
Excuse me, when we told you you bought a princess, what was your face?
Well, I was like
you were
full of
laughing
filler
and
sort of thinking,
laughing
but it's
into your coffee,
actually got
but
some very
you're
solid-
wrong.
Solid arches, and it doesn't look like it's had patches put everywhere. Like, it all looks fairly original, which is unusual.
I bet he's thinking of posing in our princess.
Oh yeah.
Can we see the boot?
I mean, I don't know what happened with the door, but
Well, what's happened to the door?
well,
Well, you can sort that, can't you?
it's just, why is that so in?
Is it to open it?
That one
Is it to open it?
No, I mean, is it because of that will go? Because when you open it,
The door.
You can put your hand in. Let's look in the boot. Let's first time the boot. Oh, that's nice.
get a wheel.
You've even got a wheel brace as well.
It's a nice car. It's a Van Damme Pla, don't you know? It's a Van Damme Pla.
Didn't know.
In case you didn't know.
Quite nice.
What's that?
Like, just stops at any height.
You see, that's engineering, isn't it?
fast,
Now they have the
it's not
daft buttons and everything by computer, but
That's what I
actually,
mean, look, it just
on an
stops.
L-Reg.
It's not actually.
No, Billy, don't break it. Stop it.
I don't think I think they've manufactured
I
it
know,
so it
but
doesn't
I
go
don't
smacking
want.
through
I
the
don't
front
really want to
window.
be breaking anything,
Must
just in
admit,
case.
The amount of boots I've opened in my life.
It's a boot opener.
Yeah, we're just talking about our car. I then had a look round at all the other classic cars. I hope you enjoy looking at them.
I don't know what to do or where to go. I'm walking down this road, banjo in tow, looking for you. Shoo-doo-be-doo. I don't know where to go, which turn to take. All lane in front of me, deciding my fate ahead. Tell me one good reason why you should be by my side. Tell me one good reason why you should be in my life tonight. Distance in front of me, your road seems so long. Don't make me change, or I'll up and run away from you. Memories take me away.
So that that is it. We have picked her up. She's coming home with us. A long journey back, but she's coming home. That's the main important thing. I can't believe it. I mean, I'm being honest or anything. I wasn't knowing what to expect, so I didn't know what I was going to get. But seeing this, I'm so happy. I think we just did such a brilliant decision on getting her. I absolutely love her. Oh, she's on the back. We're all ready. We're driving now. Driving for a bit, but we're here. This car is just absolutely stunning. It's just so beautiful, and there's so many things on it that's just so wonderful. There's so many little bits, and I mean, I've shown you a bit of it, but there's so much more to it. It's just, I must admit, I do love it so much. When we bought it, when we bought it, meaning as online, we bought it online, we didn't actually go to see it. Maybe a bit stupid, but in our case, not stupid. Because we bought it online, bid for it, and I didn't really think much of it. I was thinking, okay, we're going to go get a car. And then getting it was just, it's wonderful. I mean, it was inside loads of other cars, and I just like sort of saw a bit of it, and I was like, oh, I knew what it was before me actually knowing where there was our car. I knew, and I just went over there, and I was like, oh my goodness me! It's just wonderful. It really is. Just absolutely flabbergasted how wonderful the quality of the seats. I mean, look at this leather. They are just so comfy, and I'm not joking. They are really, really, I'm not lying or anything. They are just so comfy. It's just so easy just to turn around and look at the back. And I mean, you think about it, if you had a sofa of this same quality of leather and the same quality of work into it, it costs you, I don't know, loads and loads of money. But these are just absolutely stunning, and they're just inside a car, and I'm going to hopefully get some seat covers for them and just take them off at certain times we decide that they are worth taking off, because of, I mean, I think we're going to go show it at places, because like fairs and stuff, because of, why not? Can somebody else enjoy this wonderfulness car? Somebody has to enjoy it more. Oh yeah, everybody has to enjoy this car.
I don't know what to do or where to go. I'm walking